Yeah, in this video, I want to answer your question, which was, can you send Solana to a Solana wallet through the Solana CLI? Yes, you can do send from your Solana CLI to any Solana wallet of your choice, and that is what I will walk you through how to achieve it step by step in this video. Welcome, dear friend. I'm Solomon Foske, founder of dProgramming University, a free Web3 development education platform. Please note our content are for education purpose only, not financial, trading, investment, programming or development advice into any of the platform discussed. Always do your own research. And please, we may get sponsorship, partnership, token or whatever form during, before or after creating this content, but we try as much as possible to remain unbiased and make it educative. If that agreed on, let's get right into this content. Yeah, for you to send Solana to a Solana wallet through Solana CLI, at least the first you need about two things. First, you need Solana CLI installed on your PC, and two, you need the wallet, Solana wallet, maybe Phantom or Souffle wallet or any other wallet. So how you go about that will be, let's open terminal, open your terminal, and then first let's even confirm if we have Solana CLI installed. So you see it's now CLI version. Don't worry if your version is different, just confirm it's installed or not. Error. If it has error, you can watch my video on how to get it installed. Once you have confirmed that this was done, I think I love to do Solana config get, so I can be able to know if currently I'm on DevNet or mainnet or things like that. So you need to understand, are you sending on mainnet or on DevNet? But usually it will be on DevNet because these are usually for development, but you can also use it for mainnet. Just switch first to mainnet and then do the transfer, then it will go on mainnet. If you are on DevNet, also on the testnet as well, that's how it will work. So we're on DevNet now, so let's do Solana address to see the wallet that's for this keep here, and then Solana balance, this help to know the balance. So if we do a transfer, we can know what is left after that. So I'll be using Souffle wallet. You can use Phantom or anyone. Copy this wallet now. Let's refresh so you know there's a real wallet there. So our demo wallet actually. So you can see it now, it has 0.9 so let's try and see if we can send from the CLI to it. Then but this is 36. So for you to achieve that, you need to use Solana transfer. Then when you are doing transfer, there are some things flag you need, like from, that's the wallet you are doing the transfer from. So since we are doing it from here, you can just copy this link, but to always make sure this is correct, you should just use something like this. Sorry. So it will help you to automatically identify the directory of your PC. Then you paste from this part to it. So because that's the default wallet keep here we are using here. So let's see. Once you have this, you want to also include some things. This from this, the wallet, this will pick this wallet that's sending it. Then to whom are we sending it to? We are sending it to this wallet. So once you space, you put that wallet, and then you space this again, and the next one is the amount. So how much are we sending to that wallet? So maybe we are sending 1.05. so then from there you need to put a flag. This is not compulsory, but it's okay. Allow unfunded recipient. So you remember, if you have done try to send to a Solana wallet that's just new, you will get this error that wallet has never received fund, doesn't have due. You are telling this now that even if it never received fund, send it to the wallet. So then the next thing you want to do is to indicate which URL, WebSocket URL you want to send it to. That's if you are sending this to RPC, DevNet or not. So we want to make it on DevNet. So if it is mainnet, you can also use mainnet. Space, paste. And then the next one is you have to pay for fee for transaction. So either DevNet or not. So fee payer. So who is paying the fee? Definitely the wallet we are sending from. So you can just copy it here. So the essence of using this is we don't need to start confirming transaction and approving transaction, because this lead to the key pair of this wallet. So it has the private key and everything there to sign the transaction. So once you have this, Solana transfer from this wallet key pair, this who we are sending it to the wallet, this is the amount we allow unfunded, then the URL should be DevNet, then fee payer should be that same wallet. Let's give it a try. So you can see its signature, and if you check this on Explorer like Solana FM, then you should be able to see it there. So let's try and refresh this to see. Let me duplicate and see. So this is 1 point. Remember previously it was 0.9. So, and then we sent 1.05. So it becomes 1.95. Usually most of this wallet don't record transaction. Okay, this, if it's on like Phantom, at times you won't see if it's on DevNet transfer. So you can see it now. We have been able to achieve that. So give it a try and let me know how it works in the comment. You can also please remind me if I forget to put this command that I use in the description for you so that I can add it up. If you like what I'm doing, you want the support to help me keep creating helpful content for Web3 developers, then kindly use the donate link in the description, and also partner with grants, technical content to help your developer platform. If you have any tool you want it simplified for developer, then you can partner. We'll create content and also share it on our platform in guides and all those things that will be helpful for your developer, including video as well. So that's it. I will see you in the next video. Keep the programming spirit and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world and universe a better place for us all. Our lasting balance, and now it shows that the balance has been reduced from what it was before. So that's it. I will see you in the next video. Peace.